about you every single day. From the moment we first met to this moment today, you're really amazed. Whatever I felt I could never explain. I felt so fast, you were different names. It's stuck in my brain, the feelings remain. I remember waking up next to you, like every day, and thinking that what we had was actually here to stay. But now I realize that I was only really played. You wanted your ecstasy and us was just a fake display. It's breaking me down, reminded of you by all that's around. These songs and roads, I'm losing my ground. I wish I could get up and out of this town. Now do I sound crazy as heart? Because I'd rather go back to the start. Although I know it's not so smart. I'm so sick of watching us falling apart. We battled and cried, I kept it inside. All that you said was probably a lie. I think it's time we break these ties and move along with our own lives. It's hard to make someone feel love, or they just open your eyes. And I don't wanna be just friends. I guess this means goodbye.
Appreciated. Well done.
See Katie, just 19. She was headed out to college to follow a dream.
Come on, let it go. Just let it be. I know you'll be you. Now me. Everything that's wrong, leave it to the breeze. I know you'll be you. Now me.
Damn, I wish that last line were true. I wish that I could just be me. Now you can be you, but I'm still stuck in my room, writing and feeling this gloom. I'm slowly realizing that the truth was never the truth. You told me lie after lie, like why the fuck did I try? I guess the thing that hurts the most is there's no good and goodbye. You simply left me in dark when you break me apart, but you're too busy drinking and smoking to ever restart. You see, I'm just the part that you played. All this loving was fake. You sat around and